Hello? I think we're going for edible. Oh, shit. It's bigger, it's badder, it's too much for Miss. That's probably copyright. Welcome back, my friends. It's been a while. Gone are the days of the cart, but welcome to the new show, Good Enough, where I cook whatever I want good enough. Sometimes it'll be a new recipe, sometimes it'll be somebody else's recipe. If it's a new recipe, it'll be in the description. If it's somebody else's recipe, I don't know. Yeah! So, today we're gonna make what I'm gonna call Nacho Bombs, which are going to be some stuff. Yeah. In this Tupperware are some refried beans that I made yesterday, so you can buy them or you can make them. It's up to you. We're gonna use all of it, I guess. Perfect! So we're gonna take this and we're gonna add a couple things. This is an onion. Black olives. Yeah, we'll reevaluate later. Some cheese. We're basically making nachos that are coincidentally vegetarian. If you don't want them to be vegetarian, add meat. We're gonna put it in a tortilla and we're gonna deep fry it, and it's gonna be like a bomb of nacho, hence Nacho Bomb. I'm pretty smart. Okay, not gonna lie, this looks like puke. Not exactly appetizing. The live studio audience. We're moving up in the world of cooking shows. Okay, it's good. Like, you could serve this at a blindfolded restaurant. Next, before we start all the crazy stuff, we're gonna make our dipping sauce. Dollop some sour cream. We'll splash a lime and some cilantro. It's a bit underwhelming. Set that aside. Egg. So now we're gonna assemble our nacho bombs. That's what I call them. You know the tortillas you keep in your oven just kind of all the time? Just get a nice spoon. So brush this. Make a painting. See, Miss Yak, I'm good at visual art. Please work. It's not working. Hold on. And it's like glue and you just kind of have to hold it. I have a thought. With pies, you use a fork. Is this a pie? No. I mean, what's the worst that can happen with scalding hot oil, right? Okay, I've decided that we're just gonna bullheadedly proceed forward. Yes. Sorry, come here often. Everything will be fine. Stop worrying! What a great way to start Good Enough, right? With some food that might not work. This will be good enough. That one worked. Okay, never mind. Maybe they'll seal when they go in the oil. Maybe that's what God has planned. See, we edit out the curse words. So brute force is the answer. Okay, so we got 5 because I accidentally over toasted my 6 tortillas, so I don't think it's gonna work. Safety. Yeah, that's safe. So I was gonna move the camera forward, but the oil's already hot because I preheated it too soon, so you're gonna stay there. Okay, this one actually worked, so let's see what happens here. I don't know how long it's gonna take. You know the drill. I never know when anything's done. We're looking for a deep golden color. Old mood lighting. Get you in the mood for some deep fried nacho bombs. Put some candles and some soft cheese. One is done. Apparently it took about 8 minutes. Ooh! Here with Aaron and the Purple Apron, we sometimes teach things that are kind of useful half the time. So, put your oven at 200 degrees and put it in the oven. Everything stays nice and warm and you never have to touch the microwave. Oh, if you have any requests or something, you want to see me attempt a baked Alaska? Probably shouldn't have suggested that. Leave a comment below and I might do it. I mean, it's up to my discretion, right? It's my cooking show. But you have a thought. Let me hear it. You may be thinking, Aaron, in my nachos I like salsa, guacamole. And I'd be thinking, me too. But moisture is the enemy of the deep fryer. And so I tried to stay away from super wet things like tomatoes and avocados. If you want to try that, go ahead. But if you hurt yourself, it's not my fault. Refried beans are good, dude. We did it! Different knives make different noises. F sharp. So this is the first one that came out. Remember how this was unappetizing to look at? It's about the same. It's a bit like cat food. Okay, it's very crunchy. It's very crunchy, right, Barry? This gets the stamp of good enough. Would I change some things? Yeah. I'm gonna feed some people with these. You make them yourself if you want to. If you don't, you do you. Thanks for coming to the first ever episode of Good Enough. I'm gonna try and do every other week at least. It may become every week. I have no idea. What else do I have to say? Follow me on Instagram at Aaron's Bakery if you don't, because I do some stuff there. And that's it, I think. Have a great